Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist. I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, potentially on Thursdays, depending if I've changed it at this point. And also a lot of content on TikTok and Instagram, so definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video if this is something that interests you. But today's episode, I will be going through this box of discarded drawings. So I do this thing where I draw everything on little sheets of paper instead of in sketchbooks because I don't like sketchbooks. So as a result, I just have these giant archival, they're not even archival boxes, they're just shoe boxes that I put my art in. And maybe someday I'll get around to framing these and selling them, but some of them are just, they're not. So I'm just gonna go through a bunch of them with you because I think they're cute. Oh look, we have a card that's empty. Okay, so I have this whole series on TikTok where I post a bunch of card ideas. I cannot espresso how much you mean to me. Congrats, grad. We have a kitty. Here we have some other card ideas. Happy Easter, you did it, congratulations. Oh, this is a tattoo that I designed for somebody. It's an airplane, paper airplane. It's actually a cover up because they had a really bad tattoo, and so I designed that one to go over the top of their other one. This one, a little International Women's Day with, of course, a scribble lady on the back. Yeah, a lot of these are double-sided because I just reused the paper. Because all of the drawings, I just did them for TikTok videos, not to sell them. Let's avocado. Have an excellent Easter. Cheers to 21. I'm not exactly sure what this one was. No. This looks like Bob the Builder. Pickaxe. This was definitely a pun, and I remember thinking it was so smart. I don't know. I don't know what that one is. Happy birthday. This is a hand holding a heart, and this is a heart made out of hands. COVID-19 vaccinated, I turned this one into a sticker. Totally zen. I should turn this one into a sticker because this is cute. This one was a sticker. Good morning, you beautiful, sexy human being. Cute. Cool shit. I should turn this one into a sticker too. Oh, this one's cute. This actually looks exactly like my shower curtain. Oh my god. Some of these are so cute. I don't know why these are all in this bin. I should frame these. Hey, hottie. It's like a little part of me just got unlocked that I didn't know was here. Look at this one. This one was a sticker. Plants are my love language. And a sunflower. Okay, I'm literally like so confused. I don't even remember making half of these. Oh, this one's cute. You know, the funny thing is I probably filmed videos for all of these and never posted them. Fly. That's cute. Okay, these are all card ideas. My Father's Day cards. Dad to the bone. You're shrimply the best. Best bank ever. Your dad yolks crack me up. This one, it's a tie, you're both the best, Dad. That's cute. You're a really amazing dad. Okay, I'm not gonna do all of the Father's Day ones. I feel like I could make a whole video about that. Cowboy cat, I turned him into a sticker. Very popular. These ones are just regular card ideas. You're my main squeeze. You're super. These are what my stickers look like before I turn them into stickers. Like I write all of the words separately and then I combine them with different artworks. So this one has like naked is my favorite outfit, which I combined with a scribble lady to turn into a sticker. This one, proud parent of a polling kiddo. I never got that printed as a sticker. I should, because I have proud parent of a pole dancer. This one, too sexy for work that requires clothes. This one's a sticker. These ones, oh, I should frame a bunch of these. These ones. This one, I need to redo this one, my slut shaming sticker, because you can't quite read slut shaming enough. That's why I didn't get it printed. Big fan of this one. Heels bigger than your dick. This one says busy being a badass, and then this one says I'm a goddess. This is a Valentine. Be your mine. I love you very much. I love you. Ooh, these ones are all stickers. Well, not the cat drinking wine, but the cat drinking wine should be. Ah, point your fucking toes. And Poltergeist is one of my most popular stickers this summer, I think. He's sold out. I need to order more. More pole dancing stickers. In case you didn't know, I'm a pole dancer. Oh, and then we have my flower era. So many flowers. A scribble lady. Another scribble lady. Oh, a turtle. That's so cute. I really don't know where I was going with this one. It's kind of like a mushroom. Kind of a scribble lady. I think that's a dress. I really don't know. I don't know what I was going for with that one. Meow. Oh, a hippo. I forgot I did that one. A penguin. Some more card ideas. Get well soon. You can't beat dad jokes. Sending you sunshine. Don't ever let this man go. Best dad by par. Some cute flowers. Best dad I ever saw. If there's a whisk, there's a way. I meant to turn that into a sticker. This was a sticker. I fucking love myself. It's not anymore. Oh, the back says I'm gonna keep doing me. This is cute. Never went anywhere with that. Another flower. You guys, I have so much art in here. Ooh, a pumpkin. Pretty sure that this one glows in the dark and it has an angry face. Another pumpkin. Oh yeah, these definitely all glow in the dark. Bat, a cauldron. Oh, another scribble lady. This one I painted on literally the cover of the watercolor pad because I must have been out of paper. I don't know. Another scribble lady. A sun. Peppa Pig. Crystals. These are old. Trumpet. Michigan. Oh, this is from one of my first lives ever. It's a key. My art has gotten much better since I first started live streaming 2 years ago. Scribble lady. Ah! So you're marrying a pothead. That's cute. Oh, another scribble lady. A carrot. The start of another scribble lady. This is me following Savannah's tutorials. Strong as hell. Standards higher than my heels. This leaves some art to be desired. I feel like I just showed you this one, but there's another. What is this one? A bunny or a scribble lady? You decide. Oh, this one is totally me trying to do a scribble lady with my eyes closed. I should try this again. A scribble lady-esque. I never finished this one. Ooh, another scribble lady. Practicing. A couple. Cute as duck. I love me. This is my friend. I did a portrait of her. This is definitely like a couple embracing. May your marriage be fruitful. I should turn so many of these into cards. I ship it. This is a reverse situation. God, there's literally so many. Oh, that's cute. I think that one's from Alive, honestly. This one, Long Live Free Love. There's some big ones in here too. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do for now. If you want to see the rest of the things in this box, it is still very full. And there's a lot of random drawings in here. Also, if you want any of these, comment. Or actually DM me on Instagram. That's probably gonna be the best way to go about it. If you want any of these, DM me on Instagram which one it is that you want, and we can arrange it. It's things like this that I probably will never get around to posting into my online store because it's just so much work. But like every once in a while I'll bring this box with me and I'll be like, you can take whatever you want. So yeah. And I definitely have more boxes like this, so if you want to see more videos of me going through my old art. And also I have a bunch of old sketchbooks from like high school and college that I think would be really fun to go through because they're really bad. They're so bad. And I feel like a lot of people just like assume that like artists have been amazing artists their entire life, and I have not. For sure have not. And most artists, almost all artists, I would say all artists, were not always good at art. And so it's kind of cool to be able to see like the old stuff too. So yeah, comment below what you think the vibe should be for another video if I continue a series like this. And also I'm curious which one was your favorite or surprised you or whatever. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and check out all my social medias. And I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, so check that out sometime.